I'm Melissa.
And I'm Lisa.
We're realtors in the Shenandoah Valley.
We love where we live, and we can't wait to show you.
Welcome to the channel. Yeah, that would give you some orange.
All right.
So the other day was a listing appointment, and as we're talking about the decluttering and our 3Ds, I was walking around the property and we were looking outside soffits like we mentioned earlier, and then inside there was lots of deferred maintenance that I was a little concerned about, things that buyers are going to walk in and go, you know.
Yeah, before we go further though, let's define deferred maintenance, because that may not be something that everybody knows.
Okay, so deferred maintenance would be things we just let slide after a while, like didn't clean the gutters out this fall and water's poured over, and so now we have a bigger issue because we're not maintaining what we should do.
Yeah. Filters,
faucets that leak that we just kind of just push harder, you know, and make it go off. Toilets that might be loose.
Yeah.
You know, all those little things that, you know, just like we said about, it doesn't matter if it's when we live in the house, if we don't mow for a couple weeks, it's not a big deal. But when
or if
we're
you got to jiggle the door handle this way, that way, and the other way.
Exactly. We know the tricks to our own house, and it's how we live, and it's fine. But when you go to sell, it's that, put the makeup on, let's get this done.
That's right.
And so I recommended, because I was a little nervous, there were a few things that I'm like, man, people are going to come in and they're going to lowball an offer over little things that shouldn't affect the sale. And so they agreed to have a pre-listing home inspection done.
Oh, good.
And so this way the home inspector will come in this upcoming week, he'll go through, he'll find all those things, and then we can look at that with the seller, and I can, we can go over, do they want to repair everything, or do we just want to leave it out, sell it as is, and not worry about those repairs. But that will find some of that deferred maintenance, and it's a third party coming in and saying, hey, all these little things add up, and usually you can get a handyman in, and a lot of them a seller can do themselves.
That's right.
So
yeah, it's the little things mean a lot concept.
Yes.
So if you can do it in 5 minutes, grab that screwdriver.
Yes.
Just go into your kitchen and just double check all of your pulls and
under
all of
your
that.
sink. Do we have a drip?
That's
why
right.
Why do we have a drip? It's probably just something that's loose that isn't
right.
a big deal, but it will become a big deal over time.
Yeah. And again, it makes a really big difference if you do it.
Yeah, I mean, if everything's, the best thing you want is someone to come in and go, man, this is great. There's no water stains under the sink. There's no, broken screens. Those kind of things you can easily rescreen.
Yeah.
It's not expensive and it's not hard. You can buy a rescreening tool at Lowe's and buy the screen yourself and do it, or you can pay to do it. But again, those little things make a huge difference to a buyer who's looking at that going, oh, nice, everything's in good shape. So that deferred maintenance can really get you if you don't keep up with it.
Absolutely. And that's really good advice, even if you're not selling.
Yeah. And yes, if you are just a homeowner and you're like, boy, where have I slacked off lately?
Yeah.
We can give you the name of home inspectors that would be happy to come in and take a look and find some things that you might want to work on to make sure your house is ready to go when you decide to make a move.
Or we do DIY and we can keep you busy.
That's right.
You think you're retired? You're not retired.
That's right.
Not when it comes to home ownership.
Oh, no, that's good.